Myself, Dr. Amarnath Shetty, professor in the AJIT department, civil department, AJIT Mangalore. Today we will explain about aerial photogrammetry. Okay. Now we go for the scales of the uh, verticals. Okay, there are two scales, tilted scale and vertical scale. Okay, there is the datum, there is the ground. You can see the ground is the photography. This total height is equal to big H. This is small h to the ground level datum to ground level. From ground to this one top this one big H minus capital H minus small h. It is explained here. Okay, totally it is explained in the this one. Okay, how the process of okay vertical photography. Next, uh, since the photography is the perspective projection, the image of the ground of the point is displayed where them are the variation of the ground elevation. Okay. Thus, in the figure, image of 2 point A and A0, you can see A and A0 in the figure, vertical above each other, are displayed on the vertical photograph, are represented by A and A0. Okay, A and A0 respectively. Due to this displacement, okay, due to this displacement, there was no uniform scale between between the point of photograph aspect of the ground point have the same elevation. If the elevation uh, of 2 point vary, okay, if the elevation of 2 point uh, varies, okay, next. The scale of the map can be given as S scale. Okay. Let us first take the case where the ground is horizontal, that is, all the points having the same elevation, uh, such as shown in a figure. Okay. H is the height of the exposed station. First height of big H, capital H, height of okay, or the airplane above the mean sea level. F is the focal length of the camera. A small h is the height of the ground above the mean scale level. Okay, level. Next we go for another one slide. Let us know that case when the points are not having the same elevation as represented in the figure. Let A and B, 2 points having elevations HA and HB. HA minus HB we can see that respectively above the mean sea level. They are represented by A and B respectively on the map K in the principal point of the vertical photograph taken at height above the mean sea level. Okay, A and B, small a and B represent and A and B 2 point having the elevation HA and HB respectively above the mean sea level. They are represented by A and B respectively on the map K point of the okay level. Then we go for okay the formula scales vary from point to point. Okay, the first formula, scales of photograph at the point on the ground having the elevation hp is equal to f by h minus hb. Okay, a scale of elevation s is equal to f h minus h. Okay, or scale of photograph at a point on the ground having the hp ha is equal to f minus h minus h. Okay, the scale of any point, okay, this is equal to representative fraction rf is 1 by h minus h divided by f. Okay, there are two scales now we can see in the vertical, datum scale and average scale. Datum scale of the photograph, that scale which would be effectively over the entire photograph of the ground point of projected vertical down on mean sea level before being photographed. Thus, from the figure datum scale SD datum scale where K and AO are the projection of K and A on the datum plane. Okay, average scale, the average scale of an vertical photograph is the would be the effective over the entire photograph if the ground were projected vertically downward upward of the plane represent the average of the terrain before being photographed. equal to average elevation of the terrain. There are two scale, datum scale SD and SVA. Okay, this is the datum scale. Okay, now scale of the vertical photo. Okay, datum scale. Like all the point of assume the projected. Okay, SD is equal to F by H average scale. Yeah, F by H minus HAV average. Okay, this is the vertical. These are the formula we are used to the datum scale formula. SD is equal to F by H. SAV is equal to H minus AV. Okay. Now we go for the scale of the vertical or vertical formulas. How is the photograph is taken for the height and what the achievement is. That's all that we have studied. Now we go for the tilted. Two types of scale. First one is vertical scale of tilted photograph and vertical scale of the photograph and tilted scale of the photograph. Okay. Now tilted scale, you can see the photograph is tilted. Okay, principal line and tilted datum horizontal plane. The photograph is tilted. Okay, this is a big height h height. Okay, h minus h is the small height. Okay, this is the datum. Okay, axis, everything we can see here. Okay, we can see the okay entire this one. Okay, entire okay, we can see that the case would be the perfectly vertical photograph. The scale is uniform from the point to point. Only if the ground flat and uniform elevation throughout. If the elevation of the point varies, the scale also varies. If the tilted photograph is taken over the area having no relief, the scale will be not be uniform. Okay, the downward half of the photograph will be larger scale than the upward half. The problem becomes still more complicated tilt photograph. It can be over area with the relief. Okay, to determine the scale photograph from the point to point each case, the position of the point must be known with respect to the principle of the tilt take place along the principal line. In addition, tilt and flying head focal length and this one. Okay, next slide. In the figure shows the a tilted photograph which include the image of the point A at the altitude of the H above the datum. K is the principal point of the photograph nadir. NK is the principal line. From a draw a AM perpendicular to the principal line. AM is therefore a horizontal line. From the M, draw MM dash perpendicular to the bump line. Okay, M dash is therefore the horizontal triangle AMM lies the horizontal plane. Okay. Now let N and M be the point on the OM extended at the height above the datum. Thus NM and A have the same elevation. The triangle NMA is the horizontal plane from the similar triangle. OM-A, ONA of we get ON is equal to ONO minus NO, N and NO equal to capital H minus H. This is the formula. Scale of the point H is equal to SH. Substitute a value in equation. Okay, above Mn is the distance along the principal line between the photo nadir and the foot of perpendicular from the point of under consideration. Find the value that we consider the coordinate axis eliminated in the figure. Let the photograph coordinate the image to be x and y. Let S is the angle of swing. O is the angle between the y-axis and principal line. If the y-axis rotates the position. Okay. Now continue. The principal line in new axis or y-axis will be inclined to the original axis by angle theta given by theta is equal to 180 minus yes 180 degree minus yes. The analytical geometry, the angle is considered to be the positive when rotation in the counter clockwise direction and negative when the clockwise direction. when it is in a clockwise direction. Okay, thus the angle is negative. Okay, the new axis or x-axis selected throughout the nether point n, distance kn equal to f tan t. Okay, the coordinates x dash y dash of the point with the reference x dash y dash axis is given by plus f tan t. The distance nm therefore equal to y. Substituting in the equation 2, it clearly that coordinate y dash is the same as the point of the line ma. Hence, the scale will be the linear function of y, then constant for all the point of line perpendicular to the principal line. Okay, next. Okay, this finishes scale, vertical and tilted scale. Okay, now ground coordinate, how it is in the ground photography, the ground coordinate, aerial photography. Okay, this is the figure. This is the ground coordinate. Okay, HB, HB and KB, KB and original. Okay, this is HA. Okay, this is tilted here. Okay, this is the EF. Okay, we can see the vertical photograph in the ground coordinate. Okay, vertical photograph in a figure. Like A and B are the two ground points having the elevation HA, HB about the datum. The coordinate XA, YA, XB, YB represent with respect to the ground coordinate axis coincide in the direction within the photograph X and Y axis. The origin of the ground coordinate lies vertically blend exposed station. Okay, let A and B be the corresponding point of photograph, and XA and YA and XB and YB will be the corresponding coordinate from the similar triangle. Okay, the general the coordinate y and x and y of any point of elevation, the length L between 2 point A and B, BL, the value must be substituted with their proper algebraic signs. Okay. Now tilted photograph. Okay, the vertical photograph. This is a tilted photograph. In this figure, triangle M dash MA and NMA are the horizontal plane, but AMA is equal to X bar from the figure. AMA, capital AMA is equal to X. Okay, substituting value we get AM is equal to X is equal to X dash. Similar scale relationship, MM dash is equal to MM cos theta. Okay, T is equal to Y cos t. Okay, cos t. NM is equal to Y. NM is equal to Y is equal to Y dash. The ground coordinate X and Y of any point is known as if there are 2 points A and B, the ground point XA and YA, XB and YB can be calculated. This is about a ground coordinate. Okay. Now we go for the relief displacement. We can see the relief displacement figure. Okay, this is the H minus HA, HA. Okay, AO. Okay, this is the formula of relief displacement. This delta R is equal to R dash H by H. R dash is the radial distance of the center of the point. Okay, H is the height, capital H flying height above the datum. Okay, next we go for another one, general conclusion. Delta R dash H by H, the point above the this one, above the datum plane, higher height flying above the this one. Okay, okay. Thank you. We will